Welcome, little explorer, to a land where magic lives in every curve, every dot, and every stroke. A very special letter from the Urdu alphabet.
Hey there, friend. My name is Sini. I am one of the most important letters in the Urdu alphabet. My real name is Su, but you can call me Shape. 1, 2, 3 bumps. Now here is the most fun part, my sound. Listen carefully. I make the sound s like a snake sliding on sand. Hear that? That's me. Amazing. Okay, friend, here comes the really exciting part. In Urdu, I don't just have one shape. I have 3 magical shapes, and each shape is a treasure hidden in the cave. Are you ready to discover them? Let's go. Hi, I'm Sini, the letter Sin. Follow me to the crystal cave. When I sit at the beginning of a word, I stretch out like this. See? This is my beginning shape. When I sit in the middle, between other letters, I get a little shorter. My bumps get smaller, but they're still there, look. This is my middle shape. Still wiggly, still fun. And when I sit at the end of a word, I come a simple little tooth, short and sweet. That's my end shape. Hi, I'm Sini, the letter Sin. Let's go to the magical cave to see my 3 forms. The beginning form is Ses, the middle is Hassa, and the end is Hus.
Wow, look at this magical forest. See, those lanterns is hiding a real Urdu word, and every single one has me inside it. Let's catch them all and learn them together. Ready? Let's go.
Look.
I'm right at the start with my 3 bumps.
I'm hiding in the middle this time. Tricky. Another middle adventure. Can you spot me? Golden. Just like me. I love this word. Shh. I'm looking cute in this word. A vegetable? Let's go on another adventure. Okay, brave explorer, it's time to learn how to write me. Watch my golden pen very carefully. I will draw myself stroke by stroke. Ready? Here we go, nice and slow. Now grab your pencil and try drawing me too. Let's draw the letters sit together. Watch me. Now you try. Draw it on paper. You're doing amazing.
All right, superstar, you have learned so much today. But are you ready for the big test? 3 quick questions, and if you get them right, you unlock the treasure.
What sound does the letter S make? B. How many bumps does the letter S have? Yes. Which word starts with our letter S? A. Guda. C. Firework.
You did it! You are an official Urdu alphabet explorer. You learned my name, Sin. You learned my sound, S.
You learned my 3 shapes and you even found me hiding in real words. And you even wrote me.
I am so proud of you, brave explorer. Remember my name? And remember, we will meet again very soon. Bye-bye for now.
Hi, friends. I'm Sini, the letter Sin. See my S shape? Great job. You learned Sin. Next adventure coming soon.